Hi, welcome to our channel for your English. Could, should, how do we use them? What's the difference? You hear them a lot of times. Do you really know how to use them? And when is the right time to use one or the other? Let's have a look together in this very short video, which I hope will help you distinguish between the two uses. Could is used normally to give advice, suggestions, or to show a possibility of something. Okay, you could practice some tennis. It's a lot of fun. It's good for your, for your fitness, for your shape. You could, if you wanted, you could. Okay, could be interesting. Or another way we use could is when we want to be polite, asking for something. Could you please pass the salt at the table? You want to be polite. Okay, you use could. That's another use. It's always connected. Is there a possibility? Should, on the other hand, has more power, is more, we believe if I say to someone, you should improve your English, you should practice your English, I think it's better for you. It's an advice more than a suggestion. So you should practice your English. You should improve your English because you speak English, but you should improve it. You can do better. It would be better for you. Okay, so should is a little stronger. You should definitely quit smoking if you smoke. Okay, that's a good example. You should. It's really better for you if you stop smoking. That's what should means. It's a little stronger. So could is more about possibilities and suggestions, ideas. That's an idea. You could do that. You have the possibility. Should is what we believe is the better option for you. Let me know in the comments as usual if this was useful, and how do you use could and should? Are there any other uses you know? Let us know. Subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.